see my face this time, but I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing. I don't know. It's great. It's what? So I got Happy Planner stuff in the mail. This was from like one of the sales, like a whole bunch of this planner pages and stuff were like a little over half price. So I got handwritten plans. They're obviously gonna be like semi-older ones because that's what probably why they were on sale, but I don't have any of them. So it's got like a whole bunch of like words, you know, that look like they're handwritten plans. Super useful sticker book. I got the Flowers Mega Sticker Book. If you watch my show, you know I love making flowers. So now I have lots of them. Flower Power Florals Mega Sticker Book. I don't know. Productivity. Just like habit trackers. Boxes, time, also super useful. This is Homebody, which has got like a lot of like greens and blues, but it also has a lot of flowers. And then we have Life is a Party, which I love these like balloon stickers that they have in here. You can't see any of them that I'm looking through. That one, super cute. Those are like balloon letters, but like cute. I think they have like actual like balloon ones too, right? Maybe not. Maybe that was just the other one, but yeah, I love little balloon stickers. They're super cute. Oh, this is a big one. I got Miss Maker. It's like that. That's weird. They're like giant stickers. Oh, it's fat, so it holds those big stickers. Obviously, you're not supposed to be using like a planner. Like, I might. Then a color story. I have not had this color story. I just used up a different color story. But flowers. I just love color story because it's like a little bit of a whole bunch of sticker words. Oh my gosh, it has balloon stickers in it too. Look at those. So cute. I got this little set of like black washi. It's like the thin kind that I really like to like outline the lines. And then Choose Happy. Ooh, can you see that? It's got like some flowery stuff in there. And just like, these are like, I don't know, like pastels and bright colors. And a lot of quotes, some boxes. Cute sticker book that I like. Tiny, which is I think just like a whole bunch of like icon-y stickers. Some emojis, some food, hearts, and then like icons of like, you know, like there's TVs, there's piggy banks for like bills, or like lunch date, water bottles, housework, useful stickers. I got Wild Styled, which has got a lot of the like cheetah print little like clear stickers. There we go. Words are hard sometimes. And then some quotes. Oh, you can't see any of that sticker book so far. Just, a lot more like neutral colors. And then Books Are Magic, which like I do like reading. I don't read as much as I used to, but I do like reading. I get in like modes. I'll go like read a whole bunch of books at once and then not read again. Like, look at these cute box stickers and like letters. These are like holidays, so I'll have a new set of holidays. Ooh, you can use that for like library books to do. And then look at these cute little book stack books. Super cute. I feel like they're kind of old, but like I really like them. And I got another Happy Illustrations book, which I was just talking about in a video like last month. But this was the first sticker book I ever used up completely, and it was like one of my favorites. So, more balloons. I got another whole one, and I'm excited. And then I got just like spring bundle. Which has like spring stickers. Super cute. Could have used those like umbrellas. But like, look at those colors. I don't know. And then look, oh, those little rainbows. I needed those. These are like a little, what are they called? Like those lists that you like check off. Bucket list. Thank you. There we go. Little like bucket list ideas for like springtime. Cute little box stickers. And then fun florals. I do have this sticker book, but again, I really like flowers, so I shall continue to use flowers. Garden flowers, which is more flowers. They're like more like realistic colors, but I will look at this. It's like food flowers. Look at that, one's pretty. I really like that. You know, oh, some chickens. It's cute. Oh, some butterflies and some pumpkins. Another tiny, so I have 2 tiny now. Should have not gotten that other tiny. I didn't realize that one was in there. Farmhouse. These are kind of like the homebody ones to me. But I really like them. They're like similar colors, I guess. Look at that. Little like farmhouse. I like those like banners in the same colors. Little like to do stuff like that. Are those still called banners too? I don't know. Look at those little mason jars with flowers in them. Some quote boxes. And household. Look at that. Weekly menu sticker, like, or chore reminder, little words, meal plans, just like super helpful ones. Look at these little like icons. I'm not sure, like mow the grass, lawnmower one. Toilet paper, toilet, a little like soap bucket. Super cute little clear, easy to use stickers. Yeah, so that's really all I did was like go through all my sticker books that I just got. And like I said, I always wait for the sales. It was like, these were just stickers that were on sale. Like Happy Planner always has ones on sale, but at the time when I went and looked, there was like a whole bunch that were like each of these sticker books was less than $10 for a sticker book, which like even, and it is a lot of stickers for $10. And regular price they're like 20 something dollars now, and no, I'm not doing that. But except for this one, which obviously was not less than $10 because, but it was still like its regular price like 50 something, and it's like 30 something, so which is a lot for stickers. It says a $60 value, so they say, but it is a lot of stickers, and it's stickers that I wanted, so hopefully you will start seeing some of these in videos. So yeah, you should probably see one up soon. You can click on the box, maybe there. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.